this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like landmark, reviews, location, price, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. Hence, please invest in the location, reviews, and our attractions and landmark also.
You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 7.5,
Which is the good. On the screen, you can find all the restaurant details with regarding location, privacy, amenities, open and library options.
room category first,
You can see on the screen details like room size, bed height, room view, amenities, facilities, and features, etc.
room category second,
Room category third,
room category fourth,
room category fifth, room category sixth, room category seventh, room category eighth, Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see that the categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Pets are allowed in this hotel.
The location of the hotel is outstanding and guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings.
The resort accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The check-in time of this hotel is 2 p.m. and the checkout time is 12 p.m.
Guests are required to show a photo ID at check-in.
Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can also through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can help us by commenting. We will help you. For booking or more details, below the link in description. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, we'll meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.